Today, we're diving deep into the world of root cause problem solving, and we've got two powerful tools on our belt: fishbone analysis and the 5 why technique. Get ready to uncover the hidden roots of your toughest challenges. My name is Luca, and welcome back to our channel, all about using Lean Six Sigma to help you inspire, innovate, and improve. Now let's get started. So, what exactly is root cause problem solving, and why is it so important? Let's break it down. Root cause problem solving is all about digging beneath the surface to identify the underlying causes of a problem. Instead of simply addressing symptoms or superficial issues, it focuses on tackling the root causes to prevent recurrence. Now, let's take a closer look at two popular techniques for root cause analysis: fishbone analysis and the 5 whys. Also known as Ishikawa or cause and effect diagrams, fishbone analysis provides a visual representation of potential causes contributing to a problem. Imagine a fishbone structure with a problem statement at the head and branches representing different categories or potential causes. These categories, often referred to as the 6 M's: manpower, method, machine, material, measurement, and Mother Nature, help organize the brainstorming process and ensure a comprehensive exploration of possible causes. By systematically analyzing each category and identifying potential causes, teams can gain valuable insights into the root causes of a problem and develop targeted solutions. Before moving on to the next part of this video, if you'd like to learn more about Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques, check out our book on Amazon. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And consider supporting our work on Patreon. All links are in the description. Next up, we have the 5 whys technique. A simple yet powerful approach for drilling down to the root cause of a problem. As the name suggests, it involves asking why repeatedly to uncover deeper layers of causality. The key to the 5 whys technique is to keep asking why until you reach a point where further questioning is no longer productive, often referred to as the root cause or true cause. Now, you might be wondering, why use fishbone analysis and the 5 whys? What makes them such powerful tools for root cause problem solving? Well, for starters, both techniques provide structured approaches that guide teams through the process of root cause analysis. Whether you prefer visual diagrams or sequential questionings, there's a method that suits your team's preferences. Moreover, fishbone analysis and the 5 whys encourage collaborative problem solving by involving stakeholders from different departments or disciplines. By tapping into diverse perspectives and expertise, teams can uncover a more comprehensive understanding of the problem and its underlying causes. But perhaps the most significant advantage of these techniques is their effectiveness in uncovering hidden root causes. By systematically exploring potential causes and asking probing questions, teams can reveal insights that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. And until next time, never stop improving.